here. I have to relax. I have to relax myself before we start this video because we are upside down. One thing I find very different about the upside down house is the fact that it's literally going to turn your world upside down. And this beautiful place is located in Westfield Center, White City, London. It's a beautiful mall, and to have access into the upside down house, you're going to pay £5. Chickeny money. And then just for £5 you get to experience this beautiful place. It's very amazing. It's quite nauseating. I feel like throwing up because I feel like I'm upside down, but in reality, I'm not upside down. This is crazy. I'm going to dive on the bed now. Oh my god. I am 100% excited to be in the upside down house today because I always wonder, how is it upside down? How is it? Have you ever wondered, like, how did they do it? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what exactly the upside down house looks like. Apparently, everything from the television to this television, whatever here now, and then the plants, and then, can you excuse me, please? Thank you. And then the couch. So right now that I am here, the couch and this table and this other chair here, they are all in the roof. Oh, so I cannot talk because I don't want some copyright strike, okay? Let me just keep... Oh, now the music is off. So even this dining table, I'm literally bending down to show you guys the dining. Even the wall clock is upside down. This picture frame, look at that. And even the blinds as well. And the picture on the wall. And this as well. It's just a very big illusion. Like all the frames are just upside down. So nice. And of course, the dressing mirror. Look at me. Hey boo. Hey boo. So the mirror first, and then this is on the ceiling, but it looks like it's upside down. It's cute. And then the bedside, the lamp, and the plant as well.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby.
You're welcome to the kitchen. So I am on the floor here. And then the oven is up. And then the extractor is on the same level with me, you get? And then the sink, let me bend down again to show you guys the sink. That's outside. This is me bending down on the floor. So I feel like it's an illusion. Is it really upside down? It's quite nauseating. I feel like throwing up because I feel like I'm upside down, but in reality, I'm not upside down. This is crazy. Oh my god, I'm going to dive on the bed now. So literally, the chair is up here and the table is here. But if you want to take a picture, because this is for pictures basically, I literally like to put my leg just directly under the wood, put my hands up, and just do like this. I like this. And then when you see the picture, it looks like this. And then the radio, just reach for it. But make sure, the secret to looking like you're upside down is make sure you just lift the leg up. This is so much fun. Alright, so I'm heading downstairs. Going down. This is crazy, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is the toilet. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. No, you guys, it's weird holding a toilet seat and putting your feet in it. It's just very weird, isn't it? Yeah. It's weird. I hope you're clean. Look at this. Guys, baby's in here. My earrings, because they've closed and I need to go. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching the Upside Down House. It's been so much fun here. If you would like to visit the Upside Down House, or if you've visited any in the UK at all, it's all over the UK. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments. Not leave without being a part of my family. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to be part of this family, and share with your friends. Let me see if I'm pushing this. I'm holding this thing.
And carry it. Nice. Put one leg on top. Yeah. Good. Oh, you love these pictures when time reach for Instagram.
Say hi to my camera.
Hi, camera.
Yep.
How you doing?
So how did you enjoy the Upside Down House? Do you like it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I do. I could live here for a night.
Yeah, it would be fun to just, have a
urinate upside down, soup upon your face.
I'm so happy I came, even though our visit was quite short.
Yeah.
We have to go.
Okay, adios, people.
Adios. We're going back to the cold. So nice. That's my shoes dirty. Ah.